guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a Michael's holiday haul. I'm going to share with you some things that I picked up from Michael's this past weekend to get me prepared for my holiday decorating. So let's get started. So I did a nice big haul at Michael's this past weekend, and I picked up some things that I'm going to use to decorate my tree and also to do a swag kind of garland on my patio door. And I'm also going to create a little miniature scene in one of my lanterns that I have already here that's kind of has a beach theme right now, but it will have a little Christmas scene in it when I get done with it. So I'm just going to share these things with you now, and then hopefully wet your whistle to come back and see the videos when I create the decorations. So first thing in here that I'm going to share with you is a tree topper ribbon. I purchased a new tree this year. It's a 6-foot flocked Christmas tree. I'm going to be putting that up this year, and I figured I would do a little different decorating on the new tree just to kind of get me, you know, excited for the new tree. So I have this wire ribbon, and it's in the, I like to call this like a Scottish plaid. I love the Scottish plaid. And so that's going to be the topper. And then I got wire ribbon to match, and I got a few of these. I think I got 3. Let's see. Yeah, I got 3 of these. And the thing about going to Michael's right now is everything for the holidays is 40% off. Well, mostly everything anyway. I got all this stuff for 40% off. So it's that really pretty Scottish ribbon. So I'm going to top the tree and have the ribbon come down the sides of the tree, and then coordinate my decorations, my tree decorations with this. So there is the ribbon that I picked up. And they have all different kinds of ribbon right now. They, you know, get there now while the ribbon quantities are still plentiful, and you can choose whatever colors that you want. I also got for the tree something cute and whimsical that I'm going to be doing this year for the topper as well. I got these cute little elf feet with little bells on them, but these are like picks. They have a whole selection of different kind of picks for the top of your tree. So the little elf feet are gonna be on the top, and along with the elf feet to go into the topper, I got 4 of these picks. I got these picks, 4 of these, so that they will go in with the elf feet. So I'm just gonna kind of stick it into the top of the tree. You know, you'll have like one of these on each side, and then the toppers will go around it, and that coordinates well with the plaid ribbon. We've got the reds, the greens, the golds, and again, everything was 40% off. And then I got this year, what I'm going to be doing differently in my home decor for Christmas is I bought some pictures to hang on the wall. Like you see behind me, that sort of ocean, beach, sand dune picture. I got a winter scene to put there. I also got a big, huge Santa Claus to go on this side of the house. And I also got like a sort of blackboard cocoa picture to go over where I have my coffee maker. And I don't want to put a bunch of holes in the walls. I think that a lot of it will fit where I already have my tacks. But just in case, I did get some of these command strips that you put on the back of the picture so that you can put it on the wall, and then it doesn't ruin the wall behind. So like when you take it down after the holidays, you don't have a bunch of holes in your wall. So I did pick that up there at Michael's as well. And then, so I picked up some garland, and as I said, the garland is all 40% off right now. They have a ton of different kinds of garlands. You can get anything from the greenery garlands to Christmas balls to yarn ball. I mean, they have every kind of garland you can imagine right now on sale over there. So I got this pretty garland, and it's 6-foot garland. Is it 6-foot garland? Let me look. Maybe it's 3-foot garland, and I got 2 of them, which makes it 6 feet. Let me just see. 6-foot garland. So in order to cover the whole patio slider, I want to just do like a swag over the slider. I got 2 of them. And these, I will tell you, the sale is so good on these. They were $30, normally $30 a piece. So it can get pretty expensive to get 2 of them. But because they were 40% off, I got them for $18.99 each. So still 30 bucks or more, but 36 bucks, $37. But that's only a little more than what it would have cost for one at regular price. So now is the time to pick this stuff up. And I saw in a magazine, a catalog, a beautiful garland and I was like, oh, I want to get that garland. And it had red and white ribbon. I'll show you. It had like the red and white ribbon in it, along with the, this is rustic with pine cones and the white berries and the pine needles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the patio door with the red and white ribbon in like 2 or 3 spots, 3 spots probably. And it'll give me the same look of what I saw in the catalog, because what I saw in the catalog, they were expensive. I think they were like 40 bucks a piece, plus shipping was $23. And I was like, I can't do it. So I saw it and I said, I'll just create it myself. So I have these two garland. I got 2 of these. And then I also picked up, to go into it, I picked up these other little garlands. These are like 5-foot garlands, and they have pretty bells on them. And what I'll do is I'll intertwine them into the garland to just give the garland a little extra something. And, the bells, they just look pretty. I don't think they'll be ringing for any reason, but I will intertwine. I got 2 of those. I'll put that into the garland, and then I will, because these are like wire, I can just twist them in, and then I will add the ribbon to hang it onto my slider door. And I'll get the look that I was going for in my own unique way. All right, so for the scene, for the little Christmas scene that I'm gonna create, I'll show you the lantern, and it's pretty heavy. This is the lantern that I'm gonna create my little winter Christmas scene in. And I'm gonna take out that candle, and right now, I don't know if you can see, I have a sort of beachy candle with shells, and I have little white rocks on the bottom to make it look like, pebbles. And so what I'm going to do is I'll take that candle out of there, and then I'll put some kind of a riser and create a scene inside of that lantern with some lights and some figurines and a little sleigh, and just have that winter scene in there. So I have my bottle brush trees. I got 2 of them. I got a green one and I got a white one, and that will go in the background of the lantern. And then I got a sleigh that will be sort of on a riser, I think. And then to surround the sleigh, I just thought this was so cute. I got these little soldiers. One looks like a nutcracker, but he's a little soldier, and then one is a mouse soldier. And I thought these were so cute and whimsical. And they'll stand in the forefront, and then there's a little Christmas tree with some presents under it that will go somewhere in front of the sleigh, or maybe sitting in the sleigh. I don't know. We'll see how everything fits in there. So check back, because I will do this in a future video to show you how I create that little scene in my lantern. And I also have lights little lights that I will put inside the lantern so that it will be lit from within. I think it's gonna look really, really cute. There's another thing that I got that I'll show you. For the bedroom, I am gonna hang this sign over the bed. This year, I'm gonna really just add a few touches to the bedroom to create that holiday look and holiday feel. I'm gonna add this sign, and then I'm gonna do a few other touches in the bedroom that I will also show you in a future video as to how I create that cozy holiday feel in the bedroom. So you have to check back for that. And lastly, I did pick up some picture frames, and I'll show them to you. What I did this year is I picked up some prints from Amazon, and they came in a few different sizes. I've already used the 4x6s in my hanging frame. I have some pictures from Christmas past with the family, and to sort of offset some of those prints, I put in the 4x6 prints, Christmas prints. So I got this, as I said, from Amazon. I think it was only 10 bucks. It was like $9.99 for the whole bit of them. And there's like some 8x10 prints, all beautiful Christmas prints, Santa. And then I have this for, these are the 5x7 size. There's the little boy with the snowman, some Christmas birds, Christmas tree. So I bought some frames, and as you know, frames can be expensive, but these frames at Michael's were only $9.99 a piece, and they're very holiday festive. This is a red one. I got a green one, and I also got a sort of silver and gold one. And then I got, and these will fit the 5x7 prints. And then I got one for one of the 8x10 prints. It's an 11 by, it's a 10x13 frame, and I will put the 8x10 image. I'll choose which one I want, and I can hang these on the wall like with my command strips, or the smaller ones I can put on my TV console depending on what I'm going to be doing over there with my Christmas decorations. So that is my Michael's holiday haul for you. I hope that it's given you some inspiration to go shopping and to pick up one or two things. I have a lot of my own decorations, obviously from years of collecting them. I might put up the small tabletop tree along with my big tree this year. I'm feeling really festive. I really feel like decorating this year. I'm anxious to get started. I changed my curtains. I don't know if you remember from prior videos that I had like a peach colored drape on my windows in the living room, but I changed. I'll show you. You can see that I changed the curtains to a sort of winter white, and it really opens up the windows in here. I really, really love it, but it will also give the proper background for my Christmas decor, my reds, my greens, my silvers, my golds, and of course my winter whites. So anyway, guys, I hope that you will come back and check out all the Christmas decor videos that I'm gonna have for you this season. I also have a recipe that I'm gonna be sharing with you. It's really, I think, quick and easy, but it gives you I crave apple pie during this time of year, and this is just apples and cinnamon graham cracker crumbs, and I think a little brown sugar and cinnamon. So I'm gonna create that. I'm gonna make that and share that with you and taste it and see how it comes out, because if you saw my video last week, I have been doing the Weight Watchers points system. So I'm looking for ways to get that sweet treat that doesn't add on a lot of points, and apples are 0 points. So I figure I can do that one, get my little fix of apple pie taste, and not blow the whole week's points. So anyway, guys, I hope you will check back and see what I have in store this holiday season. Have fun out there shopping and decorating, and I hope you got some inspiration from this video. So take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Were these little bell garlands. They look, oops. I want to show you that. So